What's up guys, Sal here. So yesterday we saw a hands-on video of the Galaxy S23 Ultra revealing its full design. Samsung is in a weird position right now as the Unpacked event is still 9 days away and there are already hands-on videos and even unboxing videos which I'll share in a moment. At this rate, don't be surprised if we even see a dedicated review video before the event. Google is infamous for being so bad at keeping the pixel leaks at bay, but Samsung be like, hold my S23 Ultra. Anyway, here's the hands-on video from the same source showing the camera of the S23 Ultra in action. He shows the zoom mode of the handset and it confirms that the zoom level is still gonna be 100x. He didn't share the actual results, so we can't judge the quality yet, but what's interesting is the color of the handset. It's the botanic green variant, but it doesn't look like one. Looks more like gray. Like I've said yesterday, depending on the light, it's either gonna look gray or green, kinda like the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Moving on, he also shared the screenshot of the S23 Ultra, basically confirming the 8K at 30fps video recording option, which is up from 24fps on the S22 Ultra. There's also a 200 megapixel mode, but what caught my attention is this. The portrait video, aka the cinematic video, where the background is blurred in a video. This is not new as the S22 Ultra already has it. But what's new is the resolution toggle. The portrait video on the S22 Ultra is limited to full HD and there's no toggle. But on the S23 Ultra, there is a toggle, which means Samsung has finally enabled higher resolution portrait videos, possibly 4K. The S23 Ultra was rumored to have a better portrait video, and I guess this is what it's about. A 4K cinematic video recording experience, which now puts it alongside the iPhone 14 Pro Max, which also records 4K cinematic videos. This will now make the portrait videos on Samsung phones actually usable, and it will be interesting to see how good and natural the blur is gonna be. We also have an unboxing video of the S23 Ultra in Phantom Black. OEMs have reduced the inbox content to a bare minimum, blame Apple, so it's no point in actually seeing a phone unboxing video these days. But for those who wonder, you'll get a phone and a cable inside the box along with a SIM ejection tool. It also gives us the first look at the front of the S23 Ultra, and as you can see, the radius of curvature of the display has been toned down quite a bit. The side frames looks flat, which gives an illusion that it is thicker than the S22 Ultra, when in fact both the handsets have the same 8.9mm of thickness. There will be tons of S23 Ultra leaks leading up to the event, and I'll make sure to keep you updated with each and every one of them, so do consider subscribing for that. And as always, I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.